How to log out of Facebook from all devices. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. If you are worried about security or just want to log out of Facebook from all devices, follow these steps. First of all, open the Facebook app and make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Once inside the Facebook app, simply tap on the three dashboard menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to the menu section. Now here scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy. Then once inside settings and privacy, tap on the settings. Now once you tap on the settings, you can simply see account center option available at the top. Now simply tap on the account center and navigate to the account settings. Inside account center, scroll down and tap on the password and security option available there. Now there tap on the where you are logged in. And once you tap on it, you'll get to see the list of devices you are logged into in your account. Now you can simply tap on the device and tap on the logout option available there. I only have one device logged in, so I cannot log out through this. But if you have other and tap on that device, then you can log out easily. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.